Does it seem like your smartphone is always dying fast and taking forever to charge back up? Here are my top 8 reasons why your smartphone could be charging so slow. If you're still using the device while it's plugged in, you can expect it to charge more slowly than usual, especially if you are scrolling on social media or watching videos. It could be too hot or too cold. Extreme temperatures can affect the performance of your phone. They can both sap a battery faster and stop it from charging completely. Using old charging cables that are frayed or damaged may work intermittently or only at certain angles. They also pose a fire risk that can be very dangerous. Using third party or poorly made cables may have the wrong wattage compared to the official product. Look for cables that are MFI certified or are from the actual brand of phone that you're using. Spending a little extra on the right cable for your device could save you a ton of headaches down the road. Charging your phone through your computer or laptop can sometimes be more convenient, but wall outlets with the proper charger will charge much faster. Wireless chargers, albeit very convenient, will typically take 30 to 80% longer to fully charge your device than a regular cable. Over time, certain things can degrade the lifespan of your battery and how much charge it can actually hold. To check the health of your iPhone battery, go into Settings, then down to Battery, and click on Battery Health and Charging. Here you can see the maximum capacity that your battery will actually hold. Hey, and by the way, if you're finding value in this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons so you're alerted when new videos like this are posted, and it helps this video to reach a broader audience in our technology community. The clean energy charging feature was introduced in iOS 16 and designed to help reduce your carbon footprint. However, your iPhone might decide now is not a great time to charge. If you need to charge your phone immediately, go into the iPhone settings, then Battery Health and Charging, and then scroll down and turn off Clean Energy Charging. You can turn it off temporarily or turn it off completely. Following these simple tips can extend the life of your phone and save you costly repair or replacement bills in the future. Thanks for tuning in to Your Technology Coach. Have a great day.